What's up, guys? I'm back doing another video. I know I already did a video replacing my drive shaft, but my replacement of my OEM replacement failed. And they failed for the notorious hanger bearing. I ended up finding a replacement. I was searching online, found one of the Jeep threads, jeep.org. They provided a link or a guide on eBay that sells custom-made drive shafts that no longer uses this system. Or, since the hanger bearing always fails, it no longer uses this system here either, since they're known to fail here. This is a new one. No hanger bearing, as you can tell. And right here it goes in and out and it flexes. Well, not really like flexes this way, but it goes in and out. I'm guessing it's the same thing that the hanger bearing does. As far as fitment, same thing. And your differential has 8 bolts, the OEM. My replacement custom drive shaft has the same thing. And 6 towards the transmission side, 6 bolts. And the custom one has the same thing. And they do provide you with the actual size. I forgot the universal, these things are called universal, don't kill me. Universal something, but they do provide you the correct size, because instead of you having to replace the entire drive shaft when this fails, or when this rubber boot breaks, which is usually, you see, all this play that this has, they provide you the part number, and you can pick these up a couple $20 or less. And yeah, I'll show you guys when I get under my car how bad it failed. Hello, that's my father. I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Here you go. We're putting the bolts on, but as you can see, no more hanger bearing. My dad's working on the back. But yeah, no more OEM shaft. I'm gonna show you guys how my OEM shaft failed. Sorry, let me get the right angle, but yeah, as you can see. And it's way heavier, heavy duty. Look how this one failed. Look. And this is OEM.